Hi, good afternoon. Pretty party. Welcome to the party. Get ready and listen. Hello, greetings. My name is Juan Perez, and I will be the person in charge of the pressing the planning of the event of the birthday party. And they will be organizer to take able the team of Galaxy and start the Saturday, June 7, 2025. The food will be hamburger, fresh greens, popcorn, and cotton candy too. Um, there can be vanilla, will be arequipe, decoration, and finally we will hey at piñata in the Spain of the planet Saturn. Recommendation for guests. Um, you must arrive on the time to enjoy and the games and surprise. You should bring a bit smile and launch the energy to have fun and night long. Had to take photo and the galaxy for boot before you leaving. Don't forget to take a picture. If you forget to for and the for boot, you won't have a galaxy super venue. Please hurry up party. Uh, if goose arrive late, the meat means the peanut and surprise. When it's right, don't worry. It is right on the day on the party with mod the games indoors. Opciones. The party cold hot glow in the dark bliss bracelets for everyone and we meet prepare and surprise dance contests. Question number one. Um, the party start and 4 p.m. Don't be late. In question two, the not mandatory but something speaking of Spain, then it won't be our song. And finally, impact of the event, um, creating cheerful atmosphere, fun, surprise gifts. Thank you. Goodbye.